Introducing Blackvue DR900S 2-channel, the first dual-channel dashcam featuring 4K Ultra HD. Blackvue redefines dashcam visual fidelity with 4 times the full HD resolution. Combined with high shutter speed and a wide angle of view, the 4K resolution makes a world of difference. Zoom in on crucial details like license plates and images stay sharp. The best part? Blackvue integrates the latest video compression technology, so even with 4 times the resolution, you can record for as long as with a regular full HD dashcam. And with 5 GHz Wi-Fi and optimized video substreams, video transfer to your phone is blazing fast, whether you connect to your dashcam directly or through the cloud. Blackvue DR900S 2-channel, redefining dashcams.